Hey guys, it's Kelly from Salon, and I'm going to show you guys some easy beachy waves. Starting with clean, towel-dried hair, I'm first using the Brilliant Damage Control from Aveda. This is my heat protection and detangler. Next, I'm combining the Volume Boosting Mousse and the Liquid Spell from Davines. The Volume Boosting Mousse gives the hair light and natural-looking body, while the Liquid Spell is a reinforcing, bodifying fluid made to strengthen the hair and make it shine. Using my twin turbo hairdryer, I'm rough drying it before breaking it up into sections. Now that it's dry, it's time to style using my flat iron. To achieve that beachy look, I'm leaving 1 to 2 inches uncurled at the bottom. I'm also changing the direction of the curl every few sections. The ends are nice and straight, which will all come together at the end. Now that the curls have set, I'm running my hands through my hair to combine the wave. Next, I'm using the Aveda Shampure Dry Shampoo. This is a non-aerosol powder that will absorb excess oil between my shampoos, that are now extremely rare since I have nowhere to go. For volume at my roots, I'm using the Virtue Lifting Powder. This is a weightless, invisible volumizing powder that gives immediate lift. This product is perfect for my flat, fine hair. The last product I'm using is the Aveda Air Control. This is a light hairspray that offers flexible and lasting hold. Finally, I'm just adding a couple of braids to either side to add some texture to this look. Alright, thanks for watching, and if you'd like to purchase any of these products, please contact myself or Salon via Instagram. See you next time!